Hello, today we are solving May 2025 IAL Unit 2 question number 3. Seaside Coaches Limited is considering having a 52-seat coach to provide tours for the coast. And in the first part of the question we had calculated what is the break-even number of passengers that needs to be carried in the entire year for it to have no loss of profit, and what is the break-even number of tours it has to make in that year, what is the margin of safety it will have, okay, because its actual sales seems to be more, and what is the margin of safety as a percentage of sales, okay, was calculated. It was around some 43%. Now the part D of the question, it asks explain the term semi-fixed cost and give one example of a semi-fixed cost. So semi-fixed cost means it is an item of expenditure. It's a type of cost, is an expenditure, but it will remain the same up to a certain level of activity, okay, or units produced. Up to a certain point it will remain the same, and then it will increase to another level. Then the cost will increase to another level as the range of activity increases or the output increases. So we can say it is not a type of linear function. It is not a linear function. It is not a linear cost. So for example, up to a certain quantity A to B, the fixed cost might be 1. But if it increases to C and D, the cost will increase and it will become 2, and so on. So state one example of a semi-fixed cost. One example can be a management salary, okay. For example, if a manager is managing say 10 to 100 drivers, he will be paid only £1,000. But if he is managing 100 to 200 drivers, then his salary will increase to 2,000. Okay, it increases 1,000 more. Okay, let's assume. So this is an example of semi-fixed cost. So that then we have the evaluate the possibility of buying an 8-seat minibus instead of a 52-seat coach. Okay, evaluate this. So it says that they are also considering the possibility of buying a 18-seat minibus instead of this 52-seat coach to provide the tours of the coast. So whenever you are seeing it is going to 18 seat is 1/3 less than the 52 coach, okay, 52 seat coach. So what is the thing you can see when you have a mini bus, okay, when you have a smaller mini bus, probably your fixed cost can go down. Probably you will have low investment, loan repayment and servicing costs. So some costs will go down, okay, and you will have probably lower break even for a small bus needs to be achieved, okay. I just have to fill up 18 seat. Already they are able to fill 35 passengers, so probably they will be able to break even at a lower point, okay. But what about if I have a 52 seat, okay, coach, then we can see that they had said only 35 passengers out of the total 52 seats will be occupied. So probably this is an estimation, it's a prediction, and this prediction of the number of seats could be inaccurate. The predicted number of passengers, okay, passengers that are going to be of 35, okay, could be inaccurate, but the coach can have more passengers as these are estimation, okay. If at all they have more passengers, like say 52 passengers full, then they will try to get more revenue. See, extra 72 passengers revenue you can calculate and show. So 52 minus, okay, 52 minus 35. At current they are saying only they will have 35 passengers will come. So what if it has 52 minus 35, that is equal to 17 passengers more. So 17 passengers, if they pay 19 pounds, 323 pounds will be increasing, and for the entire year you can calculate if they are able to make 5 tours 36 weeks and 323 pounds, then they will get a revenue of around for 140 pounds. So this is a large amount, so more revenue they might get, okay. and the cost is just 48,000. So they within that they might be able to recover if they are able to fully fit this coach. Okay, they will be able to recover their investment within 1 year. So and also to take the same number of passengers, probably other costs can go up, variable costs might increase. Okay, here the driver is getting paid for operating one coach, but if you have to have smaller 3 or 2 mini buses, then your driver wage can go up. You can question that. So that in conclusion, you can see it is better to have a 52 seat coach, because it's at present it's having an average of 35 passengers, so it can increase, okay, to break even, okay, more, whereas 18 seat